2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.